welcome to my channel. In this video, I show you a classic week of what I eat in a day, what I eat for 5 days after having done a 5-day meal prep. My goal in this video is to show you what I ate in details, how many calories I consumed, how much exercise and physical activity I did, and check if overall my meals were nutritious. This week, I made 3 portions of red lentil dal with basmati rice, 2 portions of shrimps, barley with spinach, and red pepper, in a soy, ginger, maple syrup, and Shaoxing vinegar sauce. For lunch, we have 2 types of salad. One is a chickpea, dates, and Dijon dressing salad, and the other one is tofu, tomato, maple syrup dressing. Finally, for breakfast, we have 5 portions of overnight oats with soy milk for the protein and added micronutrients, grapefruits and strawberries, sprinkled with chia seeds and sunflower seeds and nuts for the healthy fats. Everything I ate in the last 7 days, including Saturday and Sunday, coffees, desserts, etc., cost me a total of about $55. Here you have the price breakdown. It is important for me as a fitness chef to know prices per pound or kilos of ingredients, since I need to be able to discuss food prices with my clients. I always start with weighing myself in the morning. I start the day always with 750 milliliters of filtered water, so the equivalent of a big bottle of water, and try to get at least 3 or 4 bottles a day, which is about 2 to 3 liters a day, more when it gets warmer. Then I have coffee. On this specific Monday, I had 2 oat milk lattes, as I had insomnia. When I don't sleep good, I tend to be hungrier during the following day. I can't stress enough how important sleep is for general well-being, but especially for weight loss, and the impact it has on your hunger levels the following day. So 2 lattes later, I had breakfast. I usually add nuts if I'm hungrier in the morning, and yes, I do weight them for the purpose of data analysis, which I will talk about in a future video. Nuts and seeds are quite packed in micronutrients, but also in calories, as they're mostly made of fat. And as much as it's super important for health, nuts are packed with goodness. For weight loss purposes and calorie deficit focused preps, it is wise to weight them, as a handful can vary from 100 to 400 calories easily. Remember, I am a fitness chef and I cook nutritious meals to help people lose weight, not just nutritious meals in order to achieve a calorie deficit. I make sure to use the kitchen tools that are precise, and the most precise is the electronic food scale. Last night I did not sleep good, like I had an insomnia. So today I had like 2 massive coffees. I feel really tired.
Yeah.
Like, hopefully the workout is going to make me feel a lot better. I'd say it will. It's just like
Should do. You're okay. Chest up high, core tight. Breathe out as you push dumbbell over the head. Just get that nice and low, nice and wide in the stance. Again, try and keep the chest up high, core tight throughout. So nice and easy. Keep chest up high. Squeeze the glutes. Keep it. Yeah, that's it. Much better.
hard.
Yeah. Abs tight, and then breathe as you push through.
Oh.
Sit up tall, keep the core engaged, and you see bring the hands forward.
For lunch, I added sesame seeds and pretzels to my salad. Pretzels, as they are crunchy, and eating crunchy helps get rid of tensions and frustrations for me. More creamy foods, such as ice cream, comfort me. I added a hot chocolate at the end of the meal, probably because I needed to not only relieve frustrations, but also needed warmth and comfort, just like ice cream would do, but on colder days. So early dinner, the dal, it's yummy, comforting, full of nutrients, was obviously followed by chocolate, because that's me. Not 1, but 2 squares were had from the get-go. Oh, and a little candy on that gloomy Monday evening. Here's the calories and nutrient total of the day. So calorie total is 1,480 calories. Very good on the minerals because it's everywhere is green. Not so great on the vitamins. So Tuesday morning, let's take a look at the results of the first day on the scale. Boom, 1.2 kilos lost overnight, so 2.6 pounds. How magic is meal prepping, isn't it? It really isn't, don't be fooled. Losing 1.2 kilos would have meant a calorie deficit of about 9,240 calories, which I certainly did not achieve in one day. I lost a lot of water, and that's about it. Obviously, it can help with motivation, but don't expect that type of result every day, and certainly don't believe what you see on the scale every day is fat loss necessarily. It's a data point among others. So I had my usual coffee and I had the other overnight oats. with grapes and almonds, to which I added a banana. I decided to do Pilates on my own. I used to practice Pilates every day and loved how it affected my posture in a positive way. But I prefer taking a group class, and doing Pilates on my own is just not as fun as it used to be. So it's a real struggle to push myself to get on the mat. For lunch, I added a slice of bread, which I do often, even especially on a diet. I certainly don't shy away from carbs and integrate them in my meals whenever I feel like I'm hungrier and need something more than my salad to fulfill me. I attempted a little evening walk before dinner. Oh, so much for trying to get some steps in. I guess tomorrow. For dinner, I had the shrimp, barley, spinach, and pepper. This portion wasn't frozen as I made it less than 48 hours ago, but a second portion is in the freezer as seafood won't last long once cooked. I added 2 rice cakes, peanut butter, and pretzels as I felt hungrier. Finally, I ended the day with chocolate because chocolate is life. I ate a total of 1,500 calories and did pretty good on the micronutrient sides.
Good morning. Today I slept like a baby. It's Wednesday, having my little cafe, and yeah, feeling much better. It's gonna be a good day.
Added a little shot of freshly squeezed from Sunday orange juice.
So push out wide, so get them nice and low, abs tight, and then keep the tension, back of the arms, don't lock out, core engaged, and get the back knee down nice and low. That's it. Feel it in the glutes, the hammies, and breathe out as you do so. Take your time. Yeah, you need to take a bit of a break. You need to do the thing and not go directly straight into it, but push out and then go down. Don't push out and go down at the same time.
So hard.
That's a bit hardcore.
So same salad as Monday, with rice cakes and a vegan spread. At 5 p.m. I had the curry. They taste better the longer they stay in the fridge, I find, for curries. I ate a total of 1,394 calories and did okay on the mineral content. Thursday morning, shot of orange juice, overnight oats, still tasting great. A little espresso to change things up from my usual lattes.
Like I'm trying to climb, I'm climbing this, and it's so hard. I mean, I'm really gonna have to work on my cardio. Probably next week, start doing more outdoors activities because this is ridiculous. After the winter, I've never been that unhealthy before.
I added romaine lettuce to my salad and added a piece of baguette bread to my lunch. This is my salad after 4 days in the fridge, still fresh, still crispy. And oh, are we surprised? El chocolate. Times 2. So 5:30 p.m. Dinner time. The shrimp barley vegetable meal has thawed in the fridge since this morning, and I simply need to reheat it. Remember that the shrimps and vegetables were all fresh. I'd never use frozen ingredients to cook and freeze again. As the shrimp barley meal only contains 237 calories, I added 2 rice cakes with peanut butter, vegan spread, and coconut milk on top of the chocolate. So total calories for Thursday, 1,776, and good amount of nutrients. Friday, last day of the prep meals. Let's check the freshness of all 3 meals. The overnight oats are great. Grapefruit is still fresh and juicy. The strawberry is a little sad looking but tastes amazing. I added a half banana and took my workout outdoors as it was really nice out and I needed a break from my gym office. Sometimes an outdoor workout can be way harder than indoor, and I know that this one left me completely sore. Last day for the salad, let's do a crunch test. Yep, I hear the crunch. When you put the lettuce at the top of the salad jar, it will stay dry and fresh all week long. And last meal, the lentil dal, which tastes better than on day 1 and 3, as the spices blended completely with the veggies and the coconut milk. Okay, so that brings me to Saturday. I didn't meal prep my food on the weekend. I like to take the time to cook fresh or just eat intuitively as I have more time. Now, that said, the weekend is usually when we drop our efforts in a weight loss journey. We're tired from the past week, we're craving entertainment and food as entertainment. So it's 2 days during which we can derail slightly the efforts we put in during the week. And it's not uncommon to be a diet warrior during the week and the complete opposite on weekends. So Friday's total calorie count was pretty low. Minerals okay, vitamins not great. Start the morning, I made an oat milk coffee. So Saturday breakfast, I had a Montreal bagel. For any of you who know Montreal, we have amazing bagels. Since I was a kid, I ate Saint Viateur and Fairmount bagels. We are lucky enough to be able to buy them fresh out of the oven, and that's what I had with a smoked salmon spread and a mandarin. For lunch, I made eggs with spinach, a little banana and seeds. So dinner, I had french fries with haddock and yellow peppers. What I did, as the haddock was fresh, is cook everything, and I froze 2 portions of pepper and haddock for the following week. So it's prepped already. I cooked the peppers first so they wouldn't taste like fish in a garlic and onion powder, soy sauce, mustard, bouillon, then added the fish to the broth. I ended up not finishing my fries, eating about a third of it, as they just didn't taste good and were cold. I ate very little that night, considering I didn't eat dessert, for a total of 1,185 calories, which isn't much, even on a day when I moved very little. On Sunday morning, I had a little fruit portion with a coconut yogurt, a bagel, and a portion of bread I left for later as I felt full. I then made eggs again, had the baguette with spinach and an avocado lemon spread, and an oat chocolate muffin I freshly baked. 5 portions left for the rest of the week. Dinner was super simple. I didn't feel like cooking, so I had a green salad with a balsamic dressing, olives, and sun-dried tomatoes, and honey roasted cashew nuts, which contained probably about 1 million calories, and I don't care. It was delicious. It fit in my daily calorie intake, and voila. So let's take a look at Sunday's calorie totals. Total of 1,534 calories and a so-so micronutrient total. On Monday morning, we have the result of the week on this scale, and I lost a total of 1.5 kilos or 3.3 pounds. Is that real fat loss? Partly. Is it water? Partly as well. Does it motivate me to keep going? Of course. This type of result is usually what gives you energy and motivation to keep going, especially as you know that during the following weeks, you won't see drastic results like that. As long as we are aware of it, we will be successful. I hope this video helps you see the advantages of meal prep for weight loss. Subscribe if you want to be notified when I upload videos. Meal prepping is not my biggest secret to weight loss. Meal prepping is my biggest tool to aid in my weight loss journey. See you next time. Bye.